What's up, guys? Dumbass TV back here with another video. Today we're gonna be playing Hajwala Drift, best game ever probably, at least in the decade. But today I noticed that my last video, fastest car in Hajwala Drift, got a lot of views, so I decided to make another one. This is actually an even faster car in Hajwala Drift. So I'm gonna show you guys how fast it can actually go. If you want the tuning set up for this, just send me a message on or leave a comment or something, and I'll send you a screenshot of the tuning setup that you need. I used to play this game actually, War Robots. I hated it. It sucks. You have to pay just to get good. Anyway, back to the video. Oh, look at that sound. You already know it's gonna be fast. So I'm gonna go out here and actually shift into 4x4 drive, and I think I can hit over 300 kilometers an hour. So ready? Let's rev it up a little bit, throw on the emergency brake, put on the headlights, got to be safe. Oh wait, whoop, I didn't have the emergency brake down. I probably should have turned off traffic too, would have helped. Alright, rev it up, rev it up. Let's get it all the way up there. Go. Going at 100, 200, doesn't stop after 250, still going. 300, it's just downhill from here. 350, I'm about to crash. 350, I had to swerve because I was about to crash, oh my god. But that's 350 kilometers an hour. If you want the tuning set up, leave a comment, I'll send it over to you. And that is how you have the fastest car in Hajwala Drift. Thank you for watching.